KYK Alkaline Hydrogen Water is a prestigious long-lived company with a history of 40 years. We make water that helps improve major stomach symptoms. We have a one-stop system that consists of research, development, manufacture and sales, and we are a global enterprise that exports to about 50 countries worldwide. Also, our company is equipped with a total inspection system that makes delivery after 100% inspection, so we are highly trusted in both domestic and foreign markets. As KYK Alkaline Hydrogen Water is a brand created with the CEO's own name, we manufacture products with high responsibility and pride. Do you know what's in the water that you drink? Do you know that biofilm exists in water purifiers, which is full of bacteria? Now, leave your water problems to Hydrogen Water Generator. But why the hydrogen? Have you heard about harmful free radicals which attack cells? According to the research by Johns Hopkins University, hydrogen's antioxidative activity is 176 times stronger than that of vitamin C. Hydrogen has anti-inflammatory, anti-allergenic. Hydrogen is both water-soluble and fat-soluble, so it is well absorbed to the body. Do you now understand why you need to use Hydrogen Water Generator? It has no water storage tank where bacteria can grow. It has no smell of ozone, so it doesn't come with a deodorizing device. KYK Hydrogen Water Generator is equipped with technology that separates and removes ozone. It generates no magnesium oxide as it doesn't use magnesium when making hydrogen water. Hydrogen Water Generator that doesn't come with these 4 elements. Now, leave your drinking water to KYK Alkaline Hydrogen Water.